Oh, there they go. What are you guys doing?
We're playing on our team.
Wow.
Mine is the Zoomy one, and Ben's the monster.
Yeah, he's got the big monster truck. That's Daddy's old Clodbuster, and you've got, what is that thing, man? That's Stampede. That's a new Traxxas Stampede, a few years old. You've beaten it up a few times. There you go, Ben. Bring it on over. Swing it by me so I can see it.
I'm going to my wheel.
Well, you slammed it into a fence.
Yes, that was when I was
There he goes. Well, there it goes. All right, cool. Nice day out here. Nice. Whoa, nice. Very nice. Very nice. I got to see if I can get a GoPro on those guys. Nice job, buddy. Cool. All right, let's see. Watch it. Whoa, nice job. Oh, there he goes. I was going to try to watch your hands, but you flipped it. Go ahead. Give it a run. Oh, darn it.
I landed.
It landed. I think it went behind the tree, though. I didn't see it.
I landed.
Oh, yeah. Nice job. What's the matter, Benny?
I want a faster car.
You can't handle one yet. You're a little dude. You learn how to use Daddy's, and go ahead, give her a rip.
I'm going to chase after John.
Go get him.
Okay. I'll go see where he's going.
Very nice.
I'm pretending I'm inside of the car.
All right, well, say bye-bye, Ben.
Bye.
All right. All right, folks, here we go. I decided that it was time to retire my old trailer and get myself a brand new. You have to forgive me, there's a lot of RC car action here. Here's the old trailer. It's a great trailer, but it's seen better days. This bad boy is for tow away. So if you want it, let me know. You're in the New Jersey area, let's talk. You know, I'd like this thing out of here ASAP. The frame and everything isn't too bad. It's just got some surface rust on it. It's heavy duty. This thing has hauled a lot for me, but I replaced it with a brand new Franklin trailer. I got it from Franklin Trailers. This has the removable driver's side fender. It's a 7,000 pound rating on it, and it's got the spare tire. Like I said, removable fender. Has the plate for a winch plate, and it's powder coated, integrated jack on it, which is amazing because I've never actually owned a trailer where the jack worked so easily when you moved it. And believe it or not, I've never actually had a, uh-oh, I just got hit. Uh-oh, what are you doing? Get out of here. And you can see here, it's Franklin Trailers. They're in Berlin, West Berlin, off of 73. And I really love this. Whoa! Wow! I must be standing in a highway here or something. But it's nice. It's nice to have a brand new trailer. It's nice to have the fender that comes off. It's got nice alloy wheels here. Clean them up real good, you know. And they're painted. Actually, I think they're painted. So I mean, these things will stay as good as you know, as good as they'll stay, right? But I'm gonna try to keep this thing as nice as I possibly can. For right now, I gotta kind of store it here. I've got a heck of a fleet here of trailers. I gotta get rid of that one in the back here. And at this point, I gotta actually get myself some straps for the wheels, because I'm gonna go through the wheels to strap it down. Either that or go over the top of it, but that needs E-track. So I'm not 100% sure exactly what is entailed in the E-track. Does it just go through the metal? Or is it something where I got to you know, through bolt and put like a washer underneath it? So I'm gonna do a little bit of if you know, let me know. Comment on there and let me know. I haven't done it yet. I haven't really researched it, but pretty excited about this. And yep, John's car flipped. All right, total pandemonium, but pretty excited, guys. Now I have no excuses. This is actually prompted by this morning. Well, actually, yesterday and this morning, I tried 3 different times to get a trailer from Uhaul. And usually I luck out, but today I did not want to drive an hour out of my way to go pick it up in an hour back. Tried 3 different places. Was supposed to go to Cecil. Didn't work out for me. It wasn't meant to be, but very excited. Looking forward to hitting the track, so we'll try for next weekend. Hopefully the weather will hold out, but there it goes again. Thanks for watching. Keep the shiny side up, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.